Hey, what's up, everybody? I am doing a presentation on the Ztegrity Auto Rewards Card. Ztegrity is a company that is located in Houston, Texas, whose owner and CEO is Troy Mason. He's brought a lot of innovative products to the market, this being his latest. It is the world's first metal ultra elite auto rewards prepaid MasterCard. And I believe it's going to help a lot of people drive their dream car. I'm going to ask you a question. What is your dream car? If you could drive any car, what would be that? What car would that be? Would it be a would it be a BMW, a Ferrari, a Bentley, a Tesla? What car would you drive if you could drive any car? Think about that. Now I got another question for you. Would you be willing to pay $50? $50 a month to drive your dream car, whatever that car may be? Would you be willing to pay $50 a month to drive it? Now, if your answer is yes, then you're in the right place at the right time. And most people's answer is yes. How do I do this? Well, to make your dream come true, all you need to do is upgrade your debit card. And I'm going to show you why and how that works. There's two types of prepaid debit cards. There's the regular prepaid debit cards that we know about. They have multiple and very high fees. They have no benefits and no rewards. Then we have what we call the Ultra Elite debit cards, like the Ultra Elite Auto Rewards prepaid debit card that Ztegrity has designed. It has minimal and very low fees, great benefits, and great rewards. Now, the problem is that most people just can't afford or even qualify for an elite card like the American Express Black Card. That card has a $7,500 initiation fee and also a $2,500 annual fee. So everyone's not able to experience those cards, even though they're great cards and they have lots of great benefits. Everybody's not in the place to be able to afford that card. Now, after 3 years of research and development, Troy Mason and Ztegrity has created the world's first metal ultra elite auto rewards prepaid MasterCard. And there's only one way to get one. It's by invitation only. You must be invited by a Ztegrity card holder. And you must apply on your inviter's website. And we're going to get into that later. The benefits of the card. It's FDIC insured, has FDIC insured deposits, has a bank routing number tied to it, so you're able to accept direct deposits like from employers, free bank teller withdrawals, no overdraft fees, no transfer fees, no balance inquiry fees, no point of sale fees, no card replacement fee, no customer service fees. There's only $1 ATM fee at 70,000 nationwide ATMs. And also, it has amazing cash rewards. Now, there's 3 ways to get paid cash rewards with this card. The first is your quick start referral bonuses. The second is your monthly car allowance pay. And then the third being the monthly lifestyle bonus pay. We're going to go with the quick start referral bonuses. You receive $50 for every new Ztegrity Auto Rewards card holder that you refer. Once you become a card holder yourself, you receive $50 for every new card holder that you refer. You must refer 5 new card holders in order to receive your first $250 payout. That's 5 times $50 is $250. Now, after you refer your 5, you are paid $50 immediately for every referral that you make thereafter. And if you refer 10 a week, that would be $500 a week. Now, I mean, who couldn't use the extra $500 a week? Or if you just did 5 a week, who couldn't use the extra $250 a week? Referring 5 also qualifies you to start receiving the monthly car allowance pay and the lifestyle bonus pay. The monthly car allowance pay it pays you cash rewards 4 levels deep. It pays you on every active card holder below you 4 levels deep. So on your level 1, if you referred 5 people, those 5 people, as long as they're active card holders, you would be paid $1 for each one of those. So the total for that month would be $5. You say, well, that's not a lot. Well, on level 2, those 5 referrals that you made, go out and refer 5 people each. So now you have 25 referrals on your level 2, and you get paid $4 for each one of them. So you would end up making $100 just on your level 2. Your $100 over here just on level 2. So And then it continues on. Those 25 people, if they refer 5 each, you would have 125 people on your third level, which you would get paid $5 for each one of them. And that would be $625 monthly income that you would be receiving just for the third level. And if you added the second and the first level, you're looking at $730 a month just by having about 155 people below you. But on the fourth level, if those 125 on the third level go out and recruit or refer 5 people each, you'll have 625 people on the fourth level. And that would pay you a commission of $6 each, which would equal $3,750 of pay just on that level. And if you add up all the levels, all these levels, you'll get a total of $4,480 that you're getting paid monthly for your car allowance. Now, you can pretty much buy pretty much any car if you had $4,480. You know, most cars, you know, $1,200, $1,300, you're going to be able to buy that car a month. But it even gets better than this, guys. It gets better, way better than this. The monthly lifestyle bonus pay. Now, what this does, it pays you a 100% matching bonus of the car allowance bonus pay of each of your first level referrals. Whatever your first level referrals get paid in car allowance bonus pay, you get a 100% match. What does that mean? Well, that means if you see down here at the bottom, if you referred Billy, Joe, Kim, Jay, and Tim, and Billy got paid $800 in car allowance bonus pay this month, and Joe got $1,200, and Kim got $400, and Jay got $4,000 because Jay saw the opportunity and really worked, and now he's making $4,000 a month in a car allowance bonus, and you referred him, and Tim, he's making $350 a month right now. Well, you add all of that up, and the total is $6,750 total monthly pay. That's just your monthly lifestyle bonus pay that you're getting paid. Now, there's no limit of the number of people that you can refer on your first level. I mean, you could have 20 people, you could have 100 people on your first level, and you would get a 100% matching bonus of whatever they're making, as long as you're an active card holder. So let's do a quick review. You know, Zetegrity has brought to market the Metal Ultra Elite Auto Rewards prepaid MasterCard. It has great benefits and cash rewards, $50 quick start cash referral bonus for everyone you refer up front. Then you also get a monthly car allowance. It pays you 4 levels deep on every active card holder below you, 4 levels deep. And then also you get a monthly 100% match lifestyle bonus pay, which matches the pay of everyone that you refer to the Zetegrity card program. So, man, it's an awesome product, like I said, and it's an awesome program that pays you cash rewards. How do you get involved? This is how you get involved. You go to your Inviters Zetegrity website and you order your Zetegrity Auto Rewards card. You know, whoever sent you to this video, get back with them, get their website, and sign up. The cost is $99.95 plus shipping and handling. And then it's a $50 per month thereafter to remain an active card holder and to get paid your cash rewards. So, and then also you'll receive a welcome email from Zetegrity with your free personal Zetegrity website login info. So when you become a card holder, you also get a free website from Zetegrity where you'll be able to send your referrals to sign up. You also have a back office so you can track all the people that you have referred and also track your cash rewards and everything in your back office. Here's a couple of success quotes. Just to encourage you, Walt Disney said the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So we know, just talking about anything will never get anything done, or just thinking about it. I hear a lot of people, well, I'm going to think about it. Well, thinking and talking, that doesn't bring anything to pass. But if you'll begin doing something, you'll begin to see the fruits of your labor. Jim Rome said, if you really want to do something, you'll find a way. And if you don't, you will find an excuse. So I'm going to encourage you today. I mean, if you see the opportunity, if you see the importance of getting started right away, it says if you want to do something, you'll find a way. You'll find a way to get it going, or you'll be that person who just makes an excuse of why they can't do this and why they're still stuck in their same situation. If you want to change your life, you're going to have to take drastic and immediate action. One writer said, you got to take drastic and major action. You got to get busy. And Vidal Sassoon, he said the only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. It's not in real life, because you're not going to get anything without putting anything in. So I want to encourage you to get busy right away and put in the work, and then you'll reap the benefits. But if you just make excuses, you won't reap anything but more excuses. So I want to encourage you to get busy as soon as possible. If you like what you saw, you want to become a card holder, again, get back with the person who sent you to this video. You can go ahead and go to my website. My information is below the video here. Get busy as soon as possible, and I'll see you at the top. Have a good one.